In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay videos on your Squarespace site. Whether you're showcasing a product, providing a tutorial, or simply trying to capture your audience's attention. With engaging content, autoplaying videos can be a powerful tool. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set it up. So, let's get started. Begin by navigating to your Squarespace website editor. This is the hub for all your site customizations, so if you're not familiar with it already, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout and features. Once in the editor, look for the option that says Add Block. This is where you can incorporate new content elements into your page. Click on it, and from the set of options that appear, select Video. This will allow you to add a video block to your website, an essential step for enabling autoplay. Now that you've added a video block, it's time to edit it. Click on the Edit button that appears on the video block. This opens up a window where you can configure various settings for your video. Look for the option that says Add a Video, and click on it. Here you have the flexibility to input a video URL or directly upload a video file from your device. Choose the option Upload File if you have a video saved locally that you want to feature. By doing this, your video will be directly uploaded to Squarespace's servers, ensuring a smooth and integrated playback experience for your visitors. Next, you'll see an option to mute the video. It's important to enable the mute switch if you want your video to autoplay, as many browsers restrict autoplay with sound for user convenience. Once muted, you'll have the option to activate the autoplay function. Click the autoplay switch and voila! As soon as someone lands on the page, your video will start playing automatically. Once you're satisfied with your settings, remember to click the Save button. This step is crucial to ensure all your changes are stored correctly. A quick tip. Before going live, it's always a good idea to preview your changes to make sure the autoplay function works as intended, and check that the video content displays properly on both desktop and mobile views. And that's it! You've now set up your Squarespace site to autoplay videos, making your multimedia content more engaging and immediate for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other Squarespace guides. Happy creating, and remember, your story is worth sharing.